Welcome back. Urban Development Minister faced tremendous heat in the Assembly over the e-tendering goof-up in Margao municipality. Opposition alleged involvement of government in the goof-up. MLA Vijay Sadesai, Alex and Digambar Kamath questioned Francis D'Souza as to why the chief officer or the ministry did not verify duplication of 14 works out of 20. Minister said works order have been stopped. CM finally cleared that there will be verification at concerned department level.
Why do you go ahead with the tendering? And if you have gone ahead with the tendering, Speaker sir, 1 minute. Why do you not check up with the Division 6 of PWD and recast these estimates? Because we as MLAs have sanctioned or have proposed certain works which are the same works which are being tendered. Not only that, the municipality itself has completed these works. These come up. So this is not zero tolerance for corruption. Same navaje padte kaam kehta tum. This is corruption.
Estimates. Has that verification has been done before e-tendering? What heavens would have fallen if that e-tendering was delayed by 10 days and you verified? So your instructions, what I am saying, your instructions should have been followed by the chief officer. Chief officer should have verified everything. You find out also what procedure they are doing today for those 20 works, why they didn't do it before e-tendering. At least now you tell them to verify all the 20 works with the executive engineer of PWD Division 6, because that division has undertaken lots of works.
Resolution pass जावन येता इतकी कामां करपा जाय म्हणून पैसे मागता रेझोल्युशनाच्या टायमार कोण ऑब्जेक्शन घेयना काउन्सिलान तेच काउन्सिलर मार ऑब्जेक्शन घालता ही डुप्लिकेट जाता म्हणून.
No order will be released for those which are under question mark.
Okay. Part 2.
Those which there is no question mark can be proceeded.
Telecom companies have now increased the amount of data downloads on 2G network under the tariff plans for mobile internet services. This means the customers will have to pay 25% extra to download 1 GB data. Leading companies like Idea, Vodafone and Bharti Airtel have increased their mobile internet rates. This is the second hike in 2G internet rates by the companies in a year. All the three companies which dominate India's mobile service market have reduced the quantum of internet downloads. They were offering 1 GB or 1024 MB internet usage for about 125 rupees, which has been reduced to 525 MB. Now, to get 1 GB of internet usage, Bharti Airtel customers will have to shell out 156 rupees, and in case of Idea Cellular, it will cost 154 rupees, valid for use within 28 days. On Vodafone network, same will cost user 155 rupees for use within 30 days. These rates are about 25% higher than the previous ones. In Mumbai, the 1 GB pack will now cost rupees 154 on Bharti Airtel and Idea Cellular, and for Vodafone it will cost 155 rupees. It will be valid for 30 days. The companies did not specify the date or time from when these rates were changed. They are required to file changes in tariff structures with Telecom Regulatory Authority of India. Bureau Report, Prudent. Junta quarters will get a new look soon. Tender of repair work has been passed by the PWD and work would commence soon. Junta quarters in Margao are in a dilapidated condition. South Goa collector along with PWD engineers visited the site on Thursday. Collector informed that all 16 quarters of Junta house will be taken up for repairs.
The residents of this quarters have approached me that the condition of the buildings are very bad. There is no maintenance. So, as collector being a allotting authority, so I feel it. I talked to executive engineer. I came with the engineers, and we have seen the position. They are preparing the estimates as they promised by 31st of October. Estimate they will prepare, and they will send for the technical sanction of the thing. Hopefully, work will be taken up. I have not seen individual quarters. I have seen the sample quarters. So he said it is a in average quarters like that to the repair and strengthen all the quarters, not only one quarter.
Quarter दिल्या फक्त रेम एक लागून मातशें कितें प्रॉब्लेम जाला.
प्लास्टर पडिल्लें आसा तेच दिसता.
पूण थोडे प्लास्टर पडिल्ले ना, तांकां क्रॅक्स आयिल्ले आसात, सो तेय रिपेर करपाक. सो मोस्ट ऑफ द पार्ट इज टू बी रिपेर्ड.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात Prudent. You're watching Prudent.